In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily leave a group on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then tap right here to go to menu. After that, tap Add Groups shortcut and then tap Add Your Groups. It will show you the list of groups you have joined, and now first of all we need to get into the group we want to leave. We can easily do so right from here. Just tap at any group to get into it. However, if you got a lot of groups here, you can use search to search for a specific group by its name. I'm just gonna enter that one. Once you are at a group, tap right here at 3 lines. Then tap at the same place of the screen at these 3 dots. And then to leave that group, tap at Leave Group and then Leave Group again. After that, it will ask you to help Facebook understand why you left. You can select any option like spam or harmful or offensive content or something like that. However, we can just tap at Close to close it. That's how you can basically leave a group on Facebook.